Alright, me and Carla both pop one. Get the zone boost and double up. Get it, baby. There we go. Boom.
Ooh, $5 ball.
Down to one spin on that one. Let me go over here and see what I got going on. Rub my head for luck. Sweet. Nothing. All right, your turn. Ugh. Come on, you dirty bastard. Yeah, get that one. That would be sweet. Even a major. Alright, let's get Carla to get her zone boost. Damn it. I hate that. You only put like $3 or $4 in it, didn't you?